Hello everyone, Session Hijacking and Prevention Techniques by IC Council. In this course, we are going to learn all about session hijacking. Throughout this course, you will learn various session hijacking techniques, both in web and network level. On a high level, we'll also be taking a look at how HTTP protocol uses sessions and the way web application authenticates the users and the techniques the attackers use, since there are a number of ways to do so. Now, let's jump in and take a look about the multiple modules that's being covered in this particular course. This particular course has been divided into 5 different modules. In the first module, I would want to start at a high level and introduce to you all what is called as session, followed by what is called as session hijacking and the different types about it. In the second module, we'll be taking a look at the technical implementation as to how the sessions are being managed by the application and the different types the developers use in both web and network. The third and fourth module have been designed as hands-on, where we'll be taking a look at the multiple tools, the attack vectors, and the different techniques that impact and what is being used by the attackers. Once we understand the different techniques that is being used by the attackers, we will try to understand the defensive mechanisms against those. What tools or compensating controls or mechanisms can be used to prevent these sort of attacks? Just as a prerequisite, since we'll be working on multiple protocols, multiple OSs, and web applications as well, it is something we do expect the users to be aware as to how these tools can be installed and can be run over command line. That's it for this video. Thank you.